Hi guys, welcome back to We Fix Technology. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a real-time Laravel chat application in just 10 minutes. Yes, the perfect part is that it's completely free and open source. You don't have to do so much efforts. You just need to know how it works, and I'm pretty much sure within 10 minutes everything should be done. So let's take a demo first, and we'll discuss how we're going to install that, right? So if you see that on my computer screen, I have two different browser open right here. Let me message to John Doe. I'm gonna say, hello John. Let me come here. Okay, I got it. So now John can reply, hey Arun, how are you doing? Now you see that the messages are coming on the real time. Not bad. Now, even if you want, you can share the emojis and it is coming on the real time. Moreover, you can send the attachments, picture files. You can explore the settings. So it's huge. So this is completely a state-of-art chatting system built in Laravel using Chatify package for real-time notifications. We are using a third-party dependency called Pusher, which provides a huge amount of free resources. So for a startup, that's an ideal solution. Now, guys, before I jump into the code part, I really need some motivation, right? I'm aiming at least 100 likes for this video, and please subscribe the channel, and if you make 100 likes, then I'll make another video of chat application with Laravel reverb without using a third party dependency, right? Cool. Let's go ahead and install this chat application and do it from scratch. Matter of fact, I did create the blog. I'm going to add into the description so you can follow the steps by steps. Cool. Let me close the existing structure and install the Laravel. So here's a blog, complete blog. I'm going to put the link. Now let's go ahead and check the very first step to install the Laravel. I'm going to copy the command and put it. The name of the application is going to be chat app. It'll take a couple of seconds. I'm going to fast forward the video. Perfect. Laravel got installed. Let me see if it works. PHP artisan serve. And let's open on the localhost. 8000. Great. It works. Now let's go to this step number 2. We're going to install an authentication package, which is first party package from Laravel itself called Laravel UI using Bootstrap. I'm going to copy this code and paste into the terminal. It may take a couple of seconds. Again, I'm going to fast forward the video. Perfect. That got installed too. Now if we see that, some of you might see the error because Laravel UI uses Webpack still, and the latest version of Laravel uses Vite. So you might see the CSS error because the homepage of Laravel won't Vite. Anyway, we can simply fix it. Simply go to the website of Tailwind, copy this CDN and put it into the welcome blade. You see this blade, welcome.blade, right here where CSS is available. Just paste this link. It fixes the CSS issue. And if you refresh the page, let me restart the server. It should work fine. Perfect. Now we do have Laravel. We do have an authentication package where we can log in and register and have a little dashboard tweak. Right now, the step 3 is to install the package of Chatify. Right, this is an open source Laravel package. I'm going to copy the command, again come to the terminal and paste it. This will take a couple of seconds. I'm going to fast forward the video again just to save you time. Again, this package has been successfully injected. Now the next step, we're going to have to go to the pusher, right? Pusher is a third-party dependency which we're going to use right here. It will give us a real-time event notification, so we don't have to refresh the page. Simply type pusher on Google or pusher.com. It's gonna bring the website. Login, you may log in with Gmail. Once you log in, you're gonna have to create a channel, right? So I'm gonna create a dummy channel just to show you. Go to manage, Click on create app, name your app, choose the location accordingly. Then front end simply gonna be, let's say, jQuery, and the backend gonna be Laravel. Click on create app. Now this pusher gonna give us the APIs which will react on the real time just to send the push notification. Now if you scroll down on the getting started navigation, you will find these three options. Technically they're gonna be one more. If you see my blog, there are four options. I'm gonna copy them and go to the env file bottom and paste them. So pusher ID, key, secret key, and cluster. So if you see the pusher right here, I'm going to delete these APIs, so please don't use them. Ignore that. So you're going to copy these APIs, and in the last section we have right here pusher cluster app. This is going to be right here. Cluster has AP2 in my case. You see it accordingly. Now the last step going to be in app settings. You're going to have to say enable client events. That's pretty much it. Pusher job is done. Okay, cool guys. The next step is just to start the server, and it should work as it's supposed to be. Let me go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna come to the application right here. Let me quickly sign up as a new user. Perfect. As we sign in, we came on the dashboard. Now all we're supposed to go to the URL called Chatify, Chatify, localhost / Chatify, enter, and boom, it did work. Now we see that Chatify kind of dashboard. Let me open a new tab as an incognito window right here and create a new user real quick. Now here I'm going to go to the again to Chatify paths, Chatify. Perfect. Now let me search the user. I'm going to search Arun from here, and I did get it. Let me say hi, and I heard a beep, right? I don't know if you could hear or not, but I just heard it. Let me come here, and I see the message right here from John Doe. Now if I reply hello, it comes on the real time. How are you doing? See that? The messages are coming on the real time. Even I can send the emojis, and there's an option of sending files and whatnot. So this package has everything whatever you want in a enterprise level chat application. If you want to dig more, I'm going to share the documentation link. Feel free to explore and customize that. All right, friends, that's it for today's tutorial on how to create a Laravel chat application in just 10 minutes. Well, if you found this video useful, please hit the like button so more people can discover it. And do not forget to subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my upcoming Laravel and web development tutorials. Also, drop a comment below if you tried to set it up, if you want me to cover more videos on more Laravel topics, payment gateways, e-commerce, custom admin panels. I would love to read your feedback and suggestions. Thank you for watching. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Bye for now.